The countdown for the biggest cricket league in the world has begun already. Yes, the Indian Premier League 2026 is just around the corner, and cricket fans are eagerly waiting for the official schedule. Many people are asking the same question: when will IPL 2026 begin? Where will the first match take place, and which stadium will host the final? Let's break down everything. According to early information, IPL 2026 is expected to start from March 28th. The tournament is likely to continue for a little over 2 months, and the final match could be played on May 31st. The season will once again feature 10 teams, and around 84 matches are expected to be played throughout the tournament. That means fans can expect almost 2 months of non-stop cricket entertainment. As always, the biggest star of Indian and international cricket will be seen in action. Players like Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Shreyas Iyer, Sanju Samson, Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma and MS Dhoni are expected to return to the field and entertain fans once again. Interestingly, there is also discussion that Sanju Samson could be part of the Chennai team this season, which has already created curiosity among fans. Now let's talk about the opening match. There is a strong possibility that Royal Challengers Bangalore could play the opening game. The reason is simple. If they are the defending champions, they might be given the honor of playing the first match of the tournament. Reports also suggest that the opening match might take place in Bengaluru. However, fans will have to wait for the official confirmation. Many people are wondering why the full schedule has not been released yet. The main reason is state elections in several parts of India. States like West Bengal, Kerala, Assam and Tamil Nadu are going through election periods. Because of this, security planning and match agreements require extra coordination. This is why the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, is waiting for the election dates before announcing the final schedule. According to BCCI officials, the schedule may be released in phases. In the first phase, the schedule for the first 20 days of the tournament will be announced. This could include around 30 matches initially. Later, the board will release the rest of the schedule for the remaining matches. To manage the large number of games, there might also be several double-header days where fans can watch 2 matches in a single day. So in simple terms, this is what we know so far. IPL 2026 expected start March 28th. Tournament duration March to May. Final match likely May 31st. Total teams 10. Matches around 84. Opening venue possibly Bengaluru. That means fans will get cricket action through the end of March, the whole month of April and most of May. Now the biggest question for cricket lovers is which team will win IPL 2026? Will a new champion rise or a strong team dominate the tournament? Tell us your prediction in the comments, and for more updates from the world of sports, including cricket and other sports and detailed analysis, stay connected with KTV India.